We are here again to do with the do while loop in PHP. So how we can use do while loop in PHP? In order to better understand this, I have created already a file with the name of do while.php, and there is the code. And if you see in the code, they are very similar to the while loop in PHP. So how we can use do while loop in PHP? What I'm going to do, I cut it from here using Control X, and I will paste it here, Control B, and here I will write, or I can write here do here. So this is the way of using do while loop. You have to first write the do, and then you have to write the body of the loop here, and here in the last you have to check the condition here. So what we are going to get the result, save your changes here in the file, and to see the result I'm just moving back over here in the PHP folder on my local server to see the list of the file here. And in the list of the file here I see a do while loop here. Look at this, here do while loop here. Just click on this file. We see the same result here. It is what it is doing. Initializing, we have set the value of x is equal to 1, then we have get the result, the number is 1 here, then it will check the condition. Same way it's proceed, we are getting the same result over here. Now where and comes the difference that we get while loop, the major difference between the while loop and do while loop, that comes here. Here you have to see. Now here in this case I will get the same result as that of while loop. What I'm doing, I'm making this value equal to 10. So whenever the first time has to be get executed, if he will check the condition over here, so first time the condition is going to be as false in this case. So loop's body has to be executed here. So in order to see the result I will have to save the changes here, and here we go, refresh it. You see the number is 10. Now what has done, it will first one time it will execute the body and then check the condition. So first time when it execute the body, it will display the value of x that is equal to 10. Now after that it will check the loop condition. So loop condition, when it will check, then here it will see the value of first time is x is equal to 10, then we have incremented the value of x by 1. So now the value of x has become equal to 11. So 11 is not less than equal to 5. So it will jump out of the loop, but condition is checked after executing for once. So this is the difference between while loop and do while loop. If we see this example, here we are having while loop. Look at this, and here we see here is our while loop. Just click on this file, and here you see the output like this way. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to this value equal to say 10. Save the changes here, and here once again refresh it to see the changes. Nothing is displaying, just because of the reason this time the value of x is equal to 10, and it will first check the condition. Now if you check the condition is false, and nothing is going to be happen in this case. Whereas in this case do while loop, what it will do, it will execute the body of loop for the once, and then it will check the condition. That's why we have got the output here in case of do while. Just go with the file do while here. Do while here, we see the output, the number is 10. So the reason This is the difference between the while and the while loop. Here the body of the will get executed for the once and then it will check the condition. So this will totally depend upon the requirement or of the program or developers will, that which kind of the execution he wants. If you want to check the condition first and then to execute the body of the loop, then he has to go with the while loop. If we want that the body of the loop has to be executed once, then to check the condition, then he has to go with the do while loops. So that's all for the now, and the see in the next video with the for loop.